Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to surface tire pressure reset of an Audi A7. It's Audi A7 from 2013 I think, not 7. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Surface Reset My Car. If you don't know how to surface reset any brand of car, you can always ask me on the comment area. We do all kind of service resets of cars. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Okay. We start with the A7. The ignition must be turned on. If the screen is inside, the ignition isn't turned on, we have to turn on the ignition. You can see that by all the lights on the dashboard and the screen, it pops up. Then we have to go to the car menu. This is the menu of the A7. The car menu is this one. We press this one, and then we have to go to the car systems. These 4 lines represent these 4 buttons on the side of this turning wheel. So if we want to go to the car systems, then we have to press the left under button, and then another menu pops up. You can scroll down with the turn button. I want to go to surface and control. Yes, tire pressure control is this one, the top one. You press that and you confirm that again with another press. It asks me if I want to save it. Yes, I want to save it, and then it saves the new tire pressure of the car. Yes. Our next video is how to measure the A7. I would recommend to watch that video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.